If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, it's free and you can also unsubscribe. Hello guys, Twoons here. I will be showing you how to make an automatic smelter in Minecraft. And these are the things we will need. We will put our barrel here and put the hopper on its right side. And the blast furnace on the top of it. On the top of the blast furnace we will put a hopper. And its left side too. We will put barrels on the top of the two hoppers. Place normal glasses just as I do. And put your block of choice right here. Now put a trapdoor to cover the barrel and repeat the same method on the other barrels. Put trapdoors on the left, right and the back side of the machine. Use signs to label all barrels. Take note that the placements of the ores and coals is wrong. The auto smelter would not work. So watch carefully. Now the auto smelter is fully done.